Are you a dentist or dentist to be that wants to treatment plan your career to maximize happiness? My name is Paul, Dr. Nacho Goodman, and I want to help you do just that. Our dental journeys can be awesome, but they also at times can be annoying and awful and stressful and everything in between. And there are four major decisions you are going to make. And it's important to treatment plan these decisions so you can increase success, decrease stress, and reduce the number of times you feel like crying inside a day. These four major decisions are finding your first job, buying your first practice, hiring your first associate, and selling your only practice. The main thing I want to talk about are those decisions and the dashes in between. Like that classic story about what happens in the dashes of your life between the start and end of your life. What happens between these dashes? So let's talk about finding your first job. You're in dental school, residency, and you need to find your first job. What are the most important questions to ask? Why that practice is looking for an associate. What are you going to do? What procedures are you going to do at that job? How are you going to be compensated? Money is an important thing, not the most important thing. Patient-centered production, patient-centered care is how we should operate as dentists and humans. But there's debt, there's things you need to pay for, rent, food, buying nachos at times. So what kind of money are you going to make at this practice? Another question, where is this job and what fun things are there to do? One of the things that I want to impress upon you, like a dental impression, is that your life is more than just being a dentist. You have to find fulfillment outside the operatory. I've met too many dentists who've had their entire identity wrapped up with what they do each day. And it's important, but if it becomes your entire life, it can have a negative impact on your emotional health, your social health, your professional health. So it's important to have interest outside the operatory. So when you're looking for a job or looking to hire an associate, be able to ask and answer these 5 questions. Why are they looking for an associate? Why are they looking for someone for this job? How will you be paid? What procedures will they ask you to do most of the time? Where is the job located and what fun things are there to do in the area? So that's a checklist for success. Buying your first practice is the most important decision you will make in your life. As someone who helps dentists sell practices, they oftentimes have multiple houses, multiple spouses, but just one dental practice. So what that tells you is that decision influences your financial security, your family security, the type of dentistry you get to do. I just met a coaching client who's fantastic, but she bought a practice that was a PPO practice, and now she wants to do more fee-for-service dentistry. And should she have bought that practice to begin with? I'm not sure, I wasn't there. But did she treatment plan her life at that time for maximum happiness? So what I want to share with you is to be authentic on your dental journey, to make good decisions, to be someone who asks for help when you need it. Develop a team of advisors. Go to people who do this every day. Dental-focused accountants, dental-focused attorneys. Too often, dentists will burn their nachos and I'll say, how did this happen? And a lot of times it's not getting the right advice from the right person at the right time. So I'm so thrilled to be part of your journey in whatever way I can be. I want to be a helpful dentisting friend. So if you need me for any reason, do not hesitate to reach out.